onye manege m tekene kwa mono. Now, emele mmili afulanya arrest. I put a video soon that now this young man able bugia before. Buchi atiazo, bully and keba, buchi atiazo. Then always and keta. Which I said something and I vida no put a mechion kusi mechion mbozo. We will also take it as a rumor. We will take it, people will take it as rumor because there is this spread of words so about put on social media. People will believe, some will not believe. And whereby they prove they go there, it be no longer allegedly. It becomes an occurrence, something meleme, an event that transpired. Now, this video will also confirm to you people that statement I mentioned na momela fulani ejebugonata. Can you imagine Georgina confirm no emi here? This young man ekugoku, this should be his third or fourth video. Alleging that na ndu udogachi na lo momele 5 million. Momela for 5 million we set here free. Unu ekwete go now that no jebugo before bata. Agwamu na nale na bail. So, anaya na bail, okwesi bata michione. You now coming out to come and brag, despite the fact knowing fully well that na name will melo behind the scene that made you come outside. So it does not guarantee and qualify you to come and start making noise. So, ndo to ya teacher lumpumba sign na amare hanemede, we are trying to intimidate the young man. No, this video will confirm it, and also he's still challenging the Anambra State Security Organization. Gini kunu jinalia 5 million before. Where Gini where na why not forge ahead with it from day one? Now you begin to reason yourself regarding akwokoko. Agwamuna manala akwoko his full property. That now you play bargain no jinka ade. Ebe you talk where na the way balong and when the government is that small piece of land there, man. Truth to be told. So akwapotaze that becomes a money making machine for government. And was a capital send na 50 million. 900 million, 930 million kiwelokwa. So go galekuya naka government and I got all those things we're gonna play again. Here may hit on support because they don't have what to play and what to bargain for. So likely they may be free review by a government imago seka amele hebelo, or they will serve their terms. Momila Fulanya ye may play again. Manebe nke ya no we kanjo is that na his house and his shrine are located in the same location, the same big compound. So ojili nke di n'ihu may play again. Government wole di ana kezi nko yeji wejido onwe. Kezuzo yesi na ngafe. Then wole nke di na azu may play again. Government ye need igba wauzo na center biya ka we nwe ike we na aga. So it's as if something is still fishy somewhere. Mana kaina yanye les kwa nwele ebo ozo onwele ana. And Malama government say Bobo with a such so na begin to demolish the place. So does it mean Nana Akwatu near? His case is somehow complicated. Man again in this video we are focusing on the fact that na this young man can yakun and the Anambra State nalo 5 million naira we may free. That na had na yaya that he's going to, among the social media kaliobi. Man, that's by the way. Got the one.
The threat na career and the threat na go jupu onye ka ewu who are you onye nyere order ikwu arụ anyị na-eme ọkwa ikwucha ọkwa ya bata Nigeria ebe ka ị na-izoro n'ịda nwanne oil hub na Nigeria ga-adị mma oil hub na Nigeria ya adị mma because ikwu eziokwu abido chọbago na track gị who are you onye ka ewu ya jukwu eziokwu because you spoke the truth. Because you spoke the truth. Yes. Two people are on the phone. They are among the criminals. They may have this thing. They are among the criminals. Because if they are not among the criminals, how can they on the phone? On you here on the phone. Okay, Nigerians. Anambra, let's ask them question. I draw this vital question now. Number one, when you got arrest, did you remember the arrest? No bonya. Did you have the light? Ebo was camera do bonya to destroy the camera. Do you have the light? If you will go the camera, you don't want the camera to capture you guys. Number 2, Juonya, for what purpose? Call you wear mobile face. Can you purpose how you wear mobile face? Onye jeri arrest or bonyohi? That's the question. Another one question. Can you purpose how you do when Nakoba? Then neighbor phone. Around 10 o'clock in the midnight, Nako people phone. Mama Bialu generator and I call your phone because they don't want the camera to capture them. They don't want anybody to video them. You see? Well, let's ask them this vital question. You be arrested for the first time. I am asking you people this question. Anambra, I do have this question. Can you propose it to every way to Boba? No, no, but what's your number? In times of security, I'm security, non security. Before a batan new, a ganan the new yoda, is your ba, go to, gan ishi, gan newi, is batan newi, jam lebame mother race. Okay, all don't need from states. Why need Bozie Gapa back to the state? Worker. Oba is here state. Obu state. Obu state of Anambra State. That is the question, Najo. A bridge no Badompoe. Napia, Capia 5 million. Do you know have that 5 million Hanaje? Is it for what purpose? Let's ask them these vital questions. That 5 million in Nigeria, this young man, is it for what purpose? Anambra, Governor Chumasurudo, my able governor, all to able, you need to look into this. 60% of Udogashe Bundiohi. My brother, listen to me. Let me tell you, let me advise you. You don't need to call me on phone. You don't need to threaten me because if you see me one-on-one, you can't stand me. Man, you have stand the room. I go to blog I name. I hope I paddle of my so you're not to a and you cannot stop me for saying the truth. I will keep on talking the truth, my dear. I will keep on speaking the truth. I have never started though. I have never started because I don't name a canker. 60% of you I don't name a canker. Governor Chumasurudo, no job on Udogashe Kare. And Nakai, no he gonna hana call canko. No he carried in this boom mother. The criminals carried in this boom mother. You need to look into that. You need to look into that. One day you don't need to threaten me. I need your day to my okay, Nigeria. Don't worry. Both of you, I will come back to Nigeria. You get tired of calling because if you call, I'm not in a better position to pick your call. Me pick here. You send your message. I will see your message. I don't have time to reply. I reply you because now when spending my time to reply you chose that maybe na because I don't reply idiot. I don't reply idiot. Anambra, I am saying it. What put you for the nana here? Ebusi and the ordinary are by big men no Anambra State. Ebubeha. Oh, we blew a tagago fife, blue jo fe bedu pogi. Aye bulu joka. Aye bulu joka. Hamole baho du pogu. E we ka ya gbag no du Udogashe bialbu. Ni fire dey see una dey kidnap bia kidnap pogi. Oh, we blue jo fe be no leba du pogu ti chago, e ti chago. Iyerufu ahapoge na ba. Ana sno kidnapper. Ya ma no ndo jobo no Udogashe. To ndo jobo no Udogashe ya ma no ha kidnapper lo. Kiyama no ha kidnap logo. Ife na-eme na Tiger Base Owerri. Nyawo ife na-akpado ime na Anambra State. Because no mazia ndị ohi nọ na ha ebiri ha kala. They feel like they have already give the license to rob people. They have already give the license to steal from the citizens, from the masses. So, Igbo governor, you need to look into this because these people, you put a for John Anambra State. You need to look after this. I still believe your humble brother Gojuku TV. One day, I heard you hold your weight on now. If I say, man, then okay, and your mojo weight. I will continue exposing you guys. Tell me your opinion in comment section, man. Make sure you share this video for me. One day, if I know your call, don't mind. I have spadi for Joe. If for Joe, now boy is easy.